Hello everyone, welcome back to Skilsa. Today we have a theme that is an hungry monkey. Let's get started. So, there was a monkey who was very hungry. He is searching for food. Let's jump like a monkey. Yes, just like that. Bend body down and jump like a monkey. Very good. Now, show me the tree pose. He got a tree. Raise your heel up and keep it on a foot and now join your palms. Now, other side of the tree. Very, very good. Now, this monkey is climbing on the tree and got the banana. Very good. Climb, climb, climb. He got the banana and he is rolling like that. Climb, climb, climb and roll back. Very good. Up, up, up and roll back. Up. Very good. Now sit on the bottoms. Oops. Okay. Now still this monkey is hungry. Let's look around. What is something he can find it? Okay, he find a house where there is a bowl of bananas. So let's get into the house. Shh, don't tell anyone. Let's get into the house. Make sure your arms are aligned with your shoulders and knees are aligned with your hips. Raise your head up. And now slowly take your legs back and lie down on your stomach. Raise your legs up. Hold your ankles. It's just like a bowl. It's a bowl pose. Very, very good. And now relax. Now take your arms forward. We will do banana pose. Very good. Its bowl is full of bananas. Very, very, very good. Continue the banana pose. Left and right. Left and right. Very good. Very, very good. Now this monkey is too happy. So he started jumping. Can you show me the monkey jump? And you had to spread your legs. Yes. Just like that. Bend your knee and spread your legs. Very, very, very good. And now once again, come back on your knees. Now, what we will do, this monkey starts running. Let's run like a monkey. Raise your one leg up and other hand up. Just like right leg up, then left hand up. Very good. One leg up and other leg up. One hand up and other hand up. Just running like a monkey. Very, very good. Continue this run. Continue this run. One leg up and other leg up. One hand up and other hand up and relax. This monkey is now tired. So let's relax. Bend your body down and keep your head down. And there take long and deep breathe in. Inhale and exhale. Very good. And now once again he started jumping. Jump like a monkey. Jump like a monkey. Very good. Sit on your knees and now once again come on your knees. Now this monkey had a bag with it. He is pulling the banana from the tree and he is putting the banana into his bag. This monkey is very, very, very happy. Very good. Raise your hand up. Pull the banana and keep it into the bag. Use your hand and leg gap as a bag. Very, very good. Raise your hand up and take it in. Raise your other hand up and take it in. Very good. Continue, guys. Very, very, very good. One hand up and put it in and relax. Now sit on your knees. Now the bag is full with all the bananas. Very good. Now he's thinking, now where to keep this bag? So he went to the mountain. Stand up, raise your hands up, and now lie down. Now this monkey is relaxing into the mountain. Raise your legs up and take your legs towards the right side, your head against, just like a left side. Take your legs towards the left side and your head right side. Very good. It's a monkey stretch. He is lying and is relaxing on the mountain. Very good. Take both legs together, left and your neck against the leg. Continue and now relax. Very good. Now claps your palms. Keep your foot on your mat. Claps your palms. Take it back. And now we will do the monkey stretch just like that. Take your legs and now hands towards your legs. Very good. It's a monkey stretch. Very beautiful monkey stretch. You feel good in this monkey stretch. Continue the monkey stretch. Continue the monkey stretch. Continue the monkey stretch. And now roll over to the right side and slowly come up and come to this sitting position. Now we will do the monkey split. Very good. Keep your palms down. Open your right leg up. And now slowly try to adjust and try to bring your bottoms down. Not more. Very, very sweetly, very smoothly. Slowly take your leg back and now with the other leg. Very good. Should not be more stretch, just very little stretch. Don't keep your bottoms down. Very good. Just try. Very good. Give me a thumbs up over there. Yes. Slowly come back. Very, very, very slowly come back and relax. Very good. Now sit straight. Keep your spine completely straight. Keep your hands on your knees. Now close your eyes. Give a big smile on your face. We will do now meditation. Keep your fingers on your knees. And now we will chant Om together. Keep your eyes closed and sit straight. Very good. And now chant Om together. Om. Om. And relax. Now we will do a balloon breathing. Very good. It's a balloon breathing. Now fill your mouth with the air like a balloon and now blow it out with your lips. Hop. 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 Very good. Now we will do Brahmari. Keep your fingers on your eyes, your thumb inside your ear. And now we will do the humming sound. And good, relax now. Well done. Now rub your palms. Rub your palms bothly, very softly. Rub it, and apply it on your eyes, apply it on your face. And now, thank you.